Okay guys, would like to show you great service what can help you to get content ideas and what will help you to rank your website higher in Google. So there is such website, answerthepublic.com. I will put link in the description. And for example, I would like to promote Udemy courses, and so what I will do now, I will type here Udemy and click on get questions. So simply type here company what you would like to promote, click on get questions, and this service, it will search for all variations, for all questions what people are searching in Google. So check this out. So how many questions? So for example, how, and here we can see how is Udemy pronounced, how Udemy changed my life, how Udemy works Quora, how Udemy pays to instructor. For example, when are Udemy courses on sale? So basically how you can use this information. So you can create pages and give and name these pages with these questions, and simply create content about it and try to answer these questions as well. If you basically what will happen, your website start ranking higher. So for example, you will add all these questions to your website, and we'll add some content about these questions, include for example affiliate banners in order to get clicks on your affiliate links. And this is how it works. Like, also you can use another trick. For example, when you will put in Google, when you will use Google search, you can see similar questions. So basically what you can do, you can copy these questions, and you already see some answers. You can create pages by using these questions and provide answers, simply rewriting already made text. You can rewrite it a little bit, and this is how you can generate unique content. So this is how it works, like guys. You'll find all links in the description. I think it's a great idea to get new SEO optimized content for your website. Hope this video was helpful.